Hello, this is Virginia Drew, and I'd like to answer the question, is SAS affiliate program a scam? Now, the SAS affiliate program is presented by Barry Plaskow and his company, Really Successful. And now in my mind, what a scam is somebody that really doesn't care about you or how, if you're successful or not. All they want to do is take your money and run. The programs that they produce are very cheap, very cheaply designed. They just, give you a lot of mostly useless information a lot of times, or it's stuff that worked for them one time, so now they're the big expert in it, and the things that they tell you, it's hard to follow, and they're not available for questions. Now, with the SAS affiliate program, none of that is the case. So it's definitely not a scam. Barry Plaskow has been around for probably, I think, 12 years or so. And I've probably been associated with him for maybe 8 of those 12 years. And he's always been very honest and straightforward. He really cares about his customers and with their success. And he has a lot of customers that have been there for all of those 12 years, ever since he's started. The SAS affiliate program, I'm a member. I purchased it. I wasn't given it or anything. It wasn't given to me or anything. And it's really good if you want to learn how to become an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is great because you don't have to create the product. You don't have to deal with the customers. All you have to do is promote the product and you get a commission. So they tell you how he has partnered with Jason Kaluari. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I apologize, Jason, if I didn't. But Jason has made many, many millions of dollars in the affiliate marketing realm. So Barry asked him to help him create this product because he wanted it to be something that people could actually use and actually be successful. And so Jason has created a series of training videos. They're very easy to follow. It's all step-by-step, how to get started, how to pick an affiliate product, how to create the web pages that you need, how to get traffic to the pages, and it's all using SEO, search engine optimization, which is free traffic. He doesn't use paid advertising. So he shows you exactly how to do it using free search engine traffic, which is really great. So I definitely think that it's a great deal. Like I said, I purchased it. I'm in there. So if you decide to join them, I will be there. You can say hello to me. And I guess that's about it. Like I said, I think it's a great program. I think that Barry is very honest. And also the way they named this SAS affiliate program, SAS it comes from a British group, kind of like it's like an elite group of in the British military, kind of like the Navy SEALs, and they're called the SAS, and their motto is "No man left behind," and that's what Barry tries to do. They have a Facebook group where you can ask Jason all your questions, and he's right there every day answering questions. You can also see what everybody else's questions are too, because sometimes you say, oh yeah, that's a good question, but you would never have thought of it. So that's another great thing about this. But so like I said, it's a good product and I highly recommend it. And thank you very much.